Now, here's how you can fix an outgoing call which has failed on your iPhone. So, there might be a few reasons for it. I believe that the first one is the dial code, which happened to me multiple different times in the past. I was just trying to call someone, whether I was abroad or I just needed to type in the dial code. So, make sure you do that before dialing in the number. You can also just Google specific country to see their specific dial code if you can't remember. But also in the settings, you also have the dial assist. It's part of the phone settings and it kind of like does the job automatically. But it's always a good idea to pay attention to it. Like, of course, just check it out as well. You can also just save it as part of the contacts number to make sure that it just works in the future. The other thing might be, of course, kind of obvious, but poor reception. Like if you don't just have the signal, there is no cell bar on your phone, then obviously you need to move to a different location. And this should fix the issue for you. Also, if you have things like prepaid plans, which I used to have in the past, like, I just paid upfront like a certain amount and I just had a few minutes of calling time. And if I ran out of that, I just had no ability to make a phone call in the future. So just make sure that this is not the case for you, that you have enough credit or that you paid for your carrier bill and, you get my point, right? So these might be the issues. Of course, consider restarting the phone. It's always a good idea. Like it can happen like anything in the software department. So make sure to restart the phone, update to the latest iOS. And if nothing works, just leave a comment below. I might look into it in detail because, there are a bunch of different situations that might be going on. So go ahead and let me know below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial in the future.